Even the sweetest melody falls silent before this divine beauty.
निज संलाप माधुर्य विनिर्भर्त्सित कच्छपि मंदस्मित प्रभापूरमज्जत कामेश मानसा.
Sri Lalita Devi's sacred words are described as so gentle and enchanting that they surpass the heavenly music of the Kachapi Veena. Her soft, radiant smile shines with such grace and compassion that it completely absorbs the mind of Sri Kameshwar in pure divine bliss. This shloka beautifully reveals that Devi Ma's speech is filled with wisdom, love, and limitless sweetness, while her smile brings peace, joy, and spiritual fulfillment to every heart that remembers her. Reciting or listening to this sacred verse with devotion is believed to invite inner calm, improve the sweetness of our speech, strengthen loving relationships, and fill life with divine grace. May Sri Lalita Devi bless you with peace, wisdom, and everlasting happiness. A beauty beyond all comparison awaits in this divine verse.
अनाकलित सादृश्य चिबुक श्री विराजिता कामेश बद्ध मांगल्य सूत्र शोभित कंधरा.
In this sacred shloka, we meditate on the incomparable beauty of Sri Lalita Devi. The verse describes her perfectly radiant chin, so unique that nothing in creation can be compared to it. It also glorifies her graceful neck, adorned with the sacred Mangal Sutra, lovingly tied by Kameshwara, symbolizing the eternal union of divine consciousness and divine energy. This is not merely a description of physical beauty. It reminds us that Sri Lalita Devi embodies eternal love, harmony, purity, and the unbreakable bond that sustains the entire universe. Every feature described in the Sahasranamam carries a profound spiritual meaning that guides devotees towards inner peace and divine wisdom. Reciting or listening to this shloka with devotion is believed to invite her blessings for happy relationships, family harmony, spiritual growth, and lasting prosperity. May Sri Lalita Devi fill your life with love, strength, and auspiciousness. Every ornament reveals a deeper spiritual truth.
कनकांगद केयूर कमनीय भुजान्विता रत्नग्रैवेय चिंताकलोल मुक्ता फलान्विता.
Sri Lalita Devi is described with radiant golden armlets and graceful bracelets adorning her divine arms, symbolizing limitless strength, protection, and compassionate action in this verse. Around her neck shines a magnificent necklace of precious gems, while a pendant decorated with gently swaying pearls reflects purity, wisdom, and divine grace. Every ornament worn by Devi Ma is not merely a decoration, it represents her infinite virtues and her loving care for all devotees. Her powerful arms reminds us that Devi is always ready to guide, protect, and uplift those who surrender with sincere faith. The sparkling jewels signify the priceless blessings of spiritual knowledge, prosperity, peace, and inner fulfillment. Reciting or listening to this sacred shloka with devotion helps deepen our connection with Sri Lalita Devi, filling the hearts with confidence, positivity, and divine protection. A treasure of divine love shines through this beautiful verse of Sri Lalita Sahasranamam.
कामेश्वर प्रेम रत्न मणि प्रतिपणस्तने नाभ्यालवाल रोमाली लता फलकुचद्वयी.
This shloka describes Sri Lalita Devi as the priceless jewel of Lord Kameshwara's eternal love. Her divine form symbolizes infinite compassion, spiritual nourishment, and the boundless grace that sustains the entire universe. The imagery of the sacred creeper rising from her navel represents the source of creation, while every aspect of her form reminds devotees that all life originates from and is lovingly sustained by Devi. Reciting or listening to this sacred shloka with devotion helps cultivate divine love, inner contentment, and unwavering faith. It inspires us to surrender to her limitless compassion, inviting peace, prosperity, and spiritual growth into our lives. May Sri Lalita Devi bless you with her everlasting grace and fill your heart with divine joy. A single divine image reveals the beauty of creation itself.
लक्षरोमलताधारतासमुन्नीय मध्यमा सनभारदलन्मध्यपट्टबन्धवलित्रया.
In this verse, the divine form of Sri Lalita Devi is described with extraordinary grace. The shloka says that Devi's slender waist is beautifully marked by a delicate line of fine hair rising from the navel. The natural weight of her divine form creates 3 graceful folds around the waist, adorned with a sacred waistband. These descriptions are not merely physical, they symbolize perfect balance, compassion, strength, and the infinite creative power of Ma, reminding us that every aspect of the universe is sustained by her divine presence. Meditating on this sacred verse with devotion helps fill the heart with peace, humility, and inner strength. It inspires us to recognize the divine beauty present in all creation and deepens our connection with Sri Lalita Devi, bringing harmony, positivity, and spiritual growth into our lives.